Hey Prohelika, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Ankit, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes.
audible.
Okay. So let's start. Okay. So yesterday what we have covered, Facebook profile,
Facebook Business
right?
Manager,
Facebook prof. Yeah.
Portfolio,
Okay. Okay.
Assign People, Asset, Integrate
Gautam.
Exams.
Gautam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What we have covered yesterday.
Yesterday, um, Pixel account,
Mm-hmm.
assign people, assets,
Okay.
uh, permission for the account sharing,
Okay.
um, business
What else?
portfolio,
And Facebook page.
yeah,
Facebook page integrated with Instagram account, right?
yeah,
Okay, so today we are going to cover the event management, the event tracking. So that part was missed yesterday. Okay, so today we will going to cover the how to do event setup. Okay, so let's go to the landing page first. So what is the event tracking? So event tracking is something called whatever the action has been taken by the customer. Okay, so suppose customer has watched one Facebook ad. Okay, and he completed the Facebook ad and he click on learn more or book now option. After clicking there, he is coming on the landing page. So when he is coming on landing page, that is called page view. Okay, the first page that is called page view. So when he completed the landing page content, he's checking all the information till the time that will count the click and the tracking will count as a page view. Okay, so once he completed the once he click on the add to cart, I mean call to action button, the CTA button. So when he click on CTA button, that time we called add to cart something or registration. Okay, so when you click on registration call to action button, that time the another form will open. Okay, so that time when he completed the form, okay, when he submit the form, or suppose we have a purchase. Okay, when he click on CTA, call to action button, okay, that time there would be a purchase. So they have to make the payment. Okay, somewhere around 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 300, whatever we have kept there. So they will go ahead and make the payment there only. Okay, so when they purchase, after making purchase, so there is a redirection option. Okay, there is a redirection option in the razor pay. So when they make the payment, after making the payment, they go to the thank you page. So in thank you page we have to do a purchase event. Okay, and in the landing page we have to create page view. Okay, so how it will done, I'll show you practically so you will come to know. Okay, just a minute. You guys heard about that, right? The add to cart option, thank you page view.
yes, sir.
Okay. Rajesh, the Gautam, he is into Facebook ad, right?
Yes,
He knows
yes.
little bit about Facebook ad, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what do you know, Gautam, the most, I mean, the what till what uh, the Facebook ad about what are the knowledge you have in Facebook ad?
We can create a campaign,
Okay.
video or images, carousel ads.
Okay. So you can create campaign and what else?
Then we can target the audience
Okay, you can target the
by
audience.
location, age.
What about the sales campaign? Are you able to run sales campaign as well?
Yes, sir.
You can run sales campaign as well. Okay, got it. Mhm. All right. So recording is happening, right? Okay. So this is landing page. Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes, we can see.
Okay. All right. So this is landing page. Okay. So today we are covering how to set up event. Okay. So in this is the page view. Okay. So we can say the landing page when people going on the Facebook advertisement. Okay. When I'll show you how it is. So go to the Facebook library. Okay. So this is the funnel which we are running right now. Okay. So when we write here the funnel mastery, okay, and this funnel will going to duplicate for each and every client. So this is the same funnel we are using for each and every client. Okay, funnel mastery. Okay, let's see the funnel mastery. Okay. So currently this is the ad which we are running right now. Okay. Okay, so this is 3 ad, 4 ad. Okay, so I'll click on book now option. So when we are clicking on book now option, okay, so we are going to the landing page. So this is called page view. Okay, so when someone is coming and landing into the landing page and he is looking into the content, that is a page view called. Okay, so that is a page view. So one event we need to set, that is a page view event. Okay, so we can say see, we have set it the pixel here. So it is already, you can see this page view or a view content. Okay, so that pixel is already set it. Right, this is done. Now when we click on call to action button, okay, here. So when we click on call to action button, so there are many people who is doing set up the add to cart. So the people who have click on the call to action button, we can also retarget them with the help of pixel setup. Okay, with the help of event setup. So the small event we need to track. Okay, so this is the add to card we can put, but we are not mentioning any add to card. We are just straight away targeting the purchase people. Okay, so once they will go ahead and razor pay, okay, they will put the name, okay, phone number, email ID, and city, and click on pay. So once they will go ahead and click on this thing now, making the payment. So After making the payment, the thank you page will going to come. No, not a thank you page. This thing will going to come. What we called the qualifier form, the day schedule form. Okay. So the day schedule form, after clicking on the day schedule form, okay. So there is a purchase event which we have tracked over there. So let me just go in and show you that the same thing in live. This is thing. Let's go to the web page. Here it is. Okay. So we have set up the purchase event over here on this landing page, on this thank you page. Okay. This is there. So this is the thank you page. Once they have completed the payment, okay, so we have a thank you page. On thank you page, we have mentioned that thank you for your spot is almost confirmed. Okay, you are just taken the first powerful step towards growing your spiritual coaching business to new highlights. Okay, this is the information we have given, the thank you acknowledgement message. And after that, what they have to do, what are the next step that I have to follow? Choose a slot that work best for you. That means the here it is we have given the option to click the this button to schedule one-to-one strategy call. Okay, so here we don't require. That's okay because they are already making the payment 50 rupees or 100 rupees. Those who are making payment, they will definitely will going to book a call. Okay, so we don't have to track this thing. We have to track this amount, the 50 rupees per amount. Okay, so they will go ahead and book a call from here. They will purchase the event. So we have set up the purchase event here. See this. So you can see this. See on thank you page. So on landing page, we will going to do page view or view content or and in the thank you page, we'll set up the purchase event. Okay. Before setting up the purchase event, we have to take care of one thing. Okay. That is this thing. Can you see this? This amount 50 rupees one, right? So this have to mention. So whatever value which is there, we have to mention here. Suppose if it is 100 rupees, we have to mention 100 rupees. Suppose if it is 300 rupees we are taking, then we have to mention 300 rupees. Okay. So that we can track as a purchase even as a value. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to just go ahead and click on edit over there. If the thank you page is done, okay, if content, everything is good to go and done, and as we have approved your content, okay, and you have created the landing page design as well. After creating everything, somewhere where you feel like you can create one space between two sentences, okay, where you just have to write rupees dot 50 and this one. Okay, so total this thing you have to copy paste and you can put it over here. Make sure you have to make the color same as it is, whatever is background color. Okay, that this amount should be not be visible for the client. This is for our backend. Okay, so what we can do, we can just go ahead and put the rupees 50 and then we can change the color of that font. Okay, with the same background color we have to use, and you can have to update and save. Okay, and you can publish for this. So once you have done this, okay, what you have to do now, you have to click, you have to gather the two links. Okay, one is for thank you page and one is for landing page. Okay, so I can keep the link in one side and, the landing page one. Okay, done. So now what I will do, I will go to the website first. Okay. and I will download the plugin called PixelCat. Okay, so I'll go to plugins. Okay, I'll go to plugins. Add new plugin. Okay, so here you have to search. See, this is, we have already installed that pixel, right? So you have to search pixel cat. Okay, this one. So you have to here install now. Okay, install. After install, you have to just active. So once it is activated, you can see here on this dashboard. Okay, so you have to click on pixel cat. Okay, after clicking on pixel cat, you can see all the pixel over here. So whatever client's pixel is available, okay, so you have to pick up the pixel from here. So how we have yesterday done that thing. So we have to go to the Facebook first. Okay, we'll go to Facebook. Okay, let me share my screen. We'll go to Facebook, and from here we'll pick up the pixel. Okay, data sets, and I think we have created this thing, no? But I cannot see. Okay, yeah, this is okay. So we are here now, and we'll go to the data source, data sets, and pixels, and we'll click on pixel. Okay.
Krishna.
This is the pixel. Okay. So this pixel ID you have to copy from here. Okay. You have to copy this pixel ID, and you have to paste this pixel ID to the website. Here. Okay. So we need to add new pixel here. Okay. So we'll click on Facebook pixel. We'll copy paste this pixel here, and we'll save it here. Okay. 7.1. All right. This is done, and then have to click on save all settings. Okay. Save all settings. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to add a pixel event. Okay. Now pixel is added into the website main things. Okay. And then we need to add pixel event. So we have to click on add Facebook event page visit. Like I have said, I told you, that page view or page that page visit. Okay, so the page view and the view content, which is both are same. Okay, so we'll click on view content. Okay, and we'll search for the website, whatever website we have, or else you can also put the URL. I'm avoiding URL because sometimes what happen if we are making any kind of changes, right? So that time URL get changed. So what you can see, you can just select the page visit directly. So whatever page which we have, okay, the name of the page, which only automatically that will going to update. Okay, so we're going to select the page. Okay, the Facebook page. I mean, sorry, the website page, the landing page. Okay, we'll select that. Okay, and then we'll click on save. All right, this is done now. So the page view is done now. Okay. Now what we have to do? Again, we have to click on save all settings. Okay. This is done. Now we'll go ahead and do a Facebook page purchase. Okay. For the purchase, again, we'll go ahead and look for a thank you page. So where is the thank you page? Our thank you page, which is here it is. Okay. This is our thank you page. Okay. And after that, we have to click on purchase. Here it is purchase. In that purchase, we have to put the value. So 50 rupees is the value and currency it should be INR. Okay. And now we will click on save and save setting. Save all setting. Okay. This is clear. So what we have to do, you have to install Pixel Cat. Okay. Install Pixel Cat. Okay. From plugin. And then we have to put your new pixel ID here. Okay, add new pixel, add new pixel. Okay, and then you have to click on save all settings. Then you have to set an event. Okay, so event would be first would be the landing page that we will create as a page view or view content, and second would be your purchase. Okay, so the purchase would be the purchase pixel will come on thank you page. Okay, and then save all setting. Okay, this is we have done it from the website side. Okay, now we will going to add in the Facebook ad, the ad manager. I mean the event setup on the Facebook platform. So we'll go to the Facebook platform now. Okay, and we will go ahead and do the event setup here as well. So now let me just show you my screen. Okay, so now what we can do, we'll go ahead and okay. Settings, we'll go to the settings. Okay, what you have to do if you are on this page, right? The business settings. So how you can go to the business, I mean the event manager. So suppose if you are in the here. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to scroll down, and you can look for event settings, event management, event management. If it is here not mentioned, okay, then you can go to the here event manager. See here you can see the event manager. Earlier it was coming here, but now it is not coming. So you can click here event manager. Okay. Event manager done. Now you can see your pixel here. Okay. So this is the 7-1, right? This is the pixel. We have to verify that thing again. 171. Okay, this is the right pixel which we are working on, right? Because there are multiple pixel as well in some of the account. Okay, so this is the main thing, the event setup के लिए. Then we'll click on settings. Okay. After clicking on settings, you will go to the open event setup tool. Okay, we'll click on open event setup tools. Okay, and then we'll copy the link that the landing page ka link, right? So we'll put the landing page link here and we'll add event. So when you will add event, right? Okay, something is behind there. Let me see the pixel. This thing is there. Okay, just to verify your pixel, you have to download Facebook Pixel Helper. Okay, Facebook Pixel Helper extension. So you can download this extension in your PC. new browser. Okay, add extension metapixel helper, so that you can also see whether a pixel is available or not. Okay, on that particular website. Now you can see this pixel is there. Now we can just find out the 71 wala pixel. Yeah, it is there. It is activated now. Okay, this is done. Now we'll go ahead and create Facebook uh, event setup. All right, we'll scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Yeah, open event tool, click here and add event. User event setup tool, add single event. So it will take some time when you are adding a pixel on the Facebook, the website. Okay, so after 5 or 10 minutes, you can start doing this thing on the Facebook tool. Okay, on the event setup from Facebook. So first you have to add a pixel on the website. Okay, after saving, you can wait for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, you can go to the Facebook account and on that event manager setup, and from there you can set up your event as well. Okay, so now here what we have to do, we have to click on track URL. Okay, so when track URL we pick up, then you have to select the view content. Okay, for the page view, and choose pay on page, don't include. Okay, whenever it is purchase event, then only we have to choose the value. Okay, here it is INR currency, and then confirm. Okay, so I'm not confirming the thing because we have already done the pixel setup. So when you confirm, and then it will going to activate. So I don't want to activate right now. Okay, so in your case, you can just confirm, and whatever they will give you the next step, you can just follow and you can continue with the same. Okay, they were just going to ask for the feedback. How is the this thing? So you can give feedback and submit. Okay, submit and then publish from here. Okay, let me just do it. I'll delete that thing. We'll click on confirm, and then we'll click on finish this setup. So when you finish this setup, you will get one option to give them a feedback. So you can give them feedback and submit. That's it. Okay, so I'm deleting this thing right now. Okay, so this is done now. So now what we can do, now we will go ahead and add a pixel for thank you page. Okay, so for the adding thank you page pixel, we have to click on the thank you page link. Okay, so this is my thank you page link. Okay, let me just go and check where it is. Thank you page link. Okay, the thank you page link. Okay, yeah, this is the thank you page link. Okay, so again, we'll go to the event manager. Okay, here it is. Open event setup. Click on there and add event. Okay. So now this is coming. Okay. So again, we will go ahead and click on track URL. Okay. We'll select purchase event now. Okay. And then now we can go ahead and choose value. So choosing value, which is whatever amount which we have hidden. Okay. That amount you have to pick up, not this one. Okay. This one you have to pick up. Here it is. See, you can see that it has been captured now, the value 50 rupees. And here also you can see that the value. Okay, so that is done now, and we'll click on this. Your currency would be INR. Okay, and we'll click on confirm. So once we click on confirm, and then you have to click on final setup. Okay, so final setup, after that you will get the feedback option, and you have to just submit the feedback and submit. Okay. This is deleted. So the event setup is done. So once you have complete the event setup, okay, one is purchase event and one is a page view event. If suppose we have free, I mean, people are not paying any amount now. Right now, it is right how this funnel it is like. People are making payment here. Okay, so 50 rupees they are making payment. Okay, sometime what happened? Free registration. So this is not a free registration. This is 50 rupees from Facebook. People are paying 50 rupees and then they are coming for a one-to-one strategy call. Okay, so there are many cases, there are many funnel. They have a the free registration for one-to-one session. So in that case, you have to click on landing page the same as it is page view content. Okay, or view content, and on the thank you page you have to select complete registration. Okay, on the thank you page you have to select complete registration like this. You just have to change the, instead of purchase you have to click on or complete registration. See this, here it is purchase, right? So you can change complete registration. This is complete registration. That's it. And you don't have to mention any amount. Okay, there, because we are not paying any amount, right? Same thing will work on the Facebook event manager as well. Instead of purchase, you have to just select complete registration. That's it. Okay. This is done. I'll delete this thing. Again, I will go ahead and delete from here because we don't require. This is also we are deleting. And all save. Yes, do not forget to save button. Click on save button. Otherwise, it will not going to save and it will not going to reflect see the pixel on the landing page. Okay. So I'm done from my side, the event setup wala part. Okay. If you have any question, you can ask.
Sir, we can use the direct website link into the Facebook event, sir. Or
We can use the website link. Yes, we can.
okay.
Yeah. So same like landing page. See, we are using only landing page for one particular product. Okay. If you have a website and on that website you have a multiple product, right? So you can do a tracking for multiple product. Suppose someone is coming on your landing page or a website. Okay. So that person should be track each and every part. Suppose you have a website and you have a four product, right? So you have a website and you have a four product. Okay. So on that four product, you should have a one common content view that is there. Okay. And another pixel you can create that is for add to cart. Suppose you have a four different product. Okay. So four different product have four different CTA, right? So either you can select add to cart, either you can select inquiry. So there is an option called inquiry as well, or something else. Also, you will get it. So when people are clicking on, suppose you have a four product, one is for sales CRM, one is for automation, one is for some course, and one is for some consultation, one-to-one consultation, right? Now on the website, if you are clicking on one-to-one consultation, okay, so one-to-one consultation add to cart would be different. Okay, so you are tracking that particular part only, and you are giving the some unique name for that. So that should be remembered for you so that you can do a retargeting as well. Suppose you wanted to retarget those who are coming into one-to-one call, okay, those who are coming into the course, the video courses, those who are coming into automation, those who are coming into sales CRM. So individually we can target them. We can do a retargeting for that person on the website. But in our case, what we have to do, we just have to target one person on one because we have only one landing page and we are talking about one product only. Okay, so they will click on view, they will come on landing page, and they will count as a view content or a page view content. Okay, or a page view. And then whatever action they are doing, okay, after doing action, after purchasing that thing, they will redirect you to thank you page automatically. Okay. Now how redirecting is happening? So when you go to Razorpay, na, I'll show you the things. Let me open the Razorpay account. Okay, so when they are going to the Razorpay, okay, this is a link. Okay, we have to click on settings and page settings. Okay. After that, we have to write here because what is happening once they're making the payment, they are not waiting for thank you page to come in. Okay, so you can write here, wait 2 to 5 seconds for the next page to load with your bonus and call update. So this is the message we have written because what we are providing one-to-one session plus we are providing some bonuses. So we are mentioning this information that wait for some time to get all your details after making the payment. Okay, so here it is the thank you page. So we have mentioned the integrate the thank you page here on the Razorpay. So after making the completing the payment, so they are coming into the this page, thank you page. So once they will make the payment and they will automatically come here now. So automatically that will going to track on the Facebook ad that one purchase has done. Based on that, the Facebook will start finding out the people, those kind of people, those who are making the payment. This is how the Facebook ad will going to work. And whatever payment which we are receiving, okay, we can retarget those people, those who are making the payment. So we can create lookalike audience as well as we can also do a retarget the people. Okay. Any question?
Sir, how to retarget our audience, where the data should be saved?
Yeah, that will going to cover in the advanced level. Okay. So
Okay,
right now, yeah. So right now, you just guys thorough with this system, and then we'll also update you the how to do retargeting on the ongoing process as well. Only. So first we need to just set up the campaign, how to set up the campaign, how to run the sales campaign, how to set up the pixel, how to set up the ad manager, the entire system to launch the campaign, okay, from scratch. And once it is done, how to identify the audience, how to do A/B testing and everything. And then later on, after 3 months, we have to do retargeting. We cannot done retargeting on the spot. 3 months or 2 months, after 2 months that will going to happen. We have to collect the data first. So once the data is collecting from us from the Facebook site, and then we can do a retargeting. Then they will going to show you the interest again. Okay.
okay, sir.
Rajesh, you have any question?
Okay, nothing from my side. Thank you.
Okay, done. So I'm done from my side. The Facebook part is completed now. Now Prohelika will going to cover the landing page content. She will just going to guide you with the prompt, and you just have to follow that prompt. And once the content is coming, you can just share in the group, and we'll see the content. If looks good, then we can definitely approve the content, and we can start making the landing page. And if it is something is missing on that content and we think that yeah, this need to be improved, then we will going to update you on that as well. Okay, so she will going to cover the landing page copywriting. Okay, from using with the ChatGPT. Over to you, Prohelika.
Thanks, Ankit.
Thank you. Yeah, visible.
So, when our onboarding, there is so many steps in our process. So first step is onboarding process. Okay. When the sales team get closed, the client, all the payment and all everything done. After that, the backend processes come to start. That is funnel building. So when the funnel building started, the funnel building's first process is onboarding process. So we talk to our client and try to understand their niche. If he has the clarity about his or her niche, if that is not, then we will talk to them and first clear their niche. Okay, after niche clarity, in that onboarding meeting, so we go for some questions, like 9 questions mainly. So that questions is I'm sharing with you right now. So this question should be, who is your target audience? That means the person who is going to market their product or any services. So who will be their target audience? So in this, I am showing you one client example. So in this case, her target audience is working professionals, business owners, homemakers, students, paid students of parents of the students. Okay, and working women. The age of that people should be 28 to 45 age group. Okay. After that, second question is that what problems do you solve of your target audience? So what will be the problem that will be solved by the person who want to market their product or service? So the problem she wanted to solve, that relationship issues, marriage compatibility, career problems of students and career guidance, mental issues, health problems, life purpose related problems like want to grow spiritually, like that. Okay, after that, third question is coming. How do you plan to help them? That means what is the tools, what is the services he or she going to provide. So in this case, she asked us that one-to-one consultation, astrology and tarot based consultation she is going to provide. And in backend, she has some knowledge about tantra, so that's why she will give the tantra related services. And also she know about the Makali healing, that also she can go for the backend. Okay. After that, the fourth question is coming, that is, do you use any specific method or unique way to help? So in this case, we are going to the depth that their unique tool, that means what kind of services or what kind of framework he or she want to give, so that we ask. Okay, so that can be anyone go for the astrology, anyone go for the past life regression. In this case, she is going for the tarot card and astrology both. Okay. Then fifth question is coming. How long have you been doing this? and how many people have you helped so far? So this client is a little bit experienced, I think 1 to 2 years, and she is associated with Astro, mm, some website called Astro something. I forgot the name. So that's why she has the proper client base. So she have already some testimonials from their from her community, you can say, or clients. So that's why she suggested that I already reached out 10,000 peoples plus peoples. So that's we updated there. Okay. What is your big dream or goal in this field? So the big dream means after 5 to 10 years, what she or he want to achieve. In this case, she just asked us that she want to serve 1 million people using her services. Okay. And after that, seventh question is coming, how do you want to talk to clients? So here is three process we right now we are providing. So mainly two processes to how do you talk to client. In this case, we have two processes. One is one-to-one and another is webinar. Webinar is nothing but one kind of in a seminar. So seminar is what we are reaching to so many people offline. Okay, webinar is the online version of seminar. We can reach too many people, that can be 50, 100 and so on to 200 thousands. So that is the webinar test. And in this case, she is suggest us she is first want to go with the one-to-one. That means she and client, they will interact each other. After that, next question is coming, what type of clients do you want to work with? That means there is three kind of services we she or she who is providing the services they can give, that is targeting the people who is on low ticket, who is on mid ticket, who is on the high ticket. So here, what is a low ticket, what is mid ticket, and what is high ticket? So when someone charge within 1,000, so that is called low ticket. Okay. And when someone is targeting the 1,000 or 2,000, 1,000 to 5 to 6,000, that is called mid ticket. Okay. And after that, after 10,000 to beyond is called high ticket. So high ticket has also so many range. So I'm not going that part right now. So in this case, her ticket size is mid ticket, and she is charging 3,000 for 45 minutes. So any question regarding this questions? Any question anyone have? Hello?
No, no questions.
Okay. Okay, so after this question, I'm telling you all the process, how it will be. So onboarding process, we will done. That is not done by you, we will done. And we will give you these questions. Okay. So after checking this kind of questions, you need to give the prompt to ChatGPT. Okay. So right now I am showing you the prompts, how we can go with. So here the first prompt is coming, hey ChatGPT, act as an expert performance marketer, come expert copywriter, please create high converting, unique, attractive emotional heading for me using using the below questions. Okay. So right now I am giving this prompt to ChatGPT. Now I am providing the questions here, the 9 questions. So I have provided the 9 questions. Now I just click. So ChatGPT will give you 7. Right now, it is giving 7 high converting, emotional, attractive, and unique headlines. There is 7 headlines you have right now. Okay. So now we need to check with the questions which is the most effective. Tried everything but still feel lost in life. It's time for one astro tarot session that actually heals. Okay. Then 10,000 plus life transformations. Now it's your turn to find answers, alignment, and spiritual peace. Okay. When remedies fail and confusion grow, real guidance comes from stars, card, and karmic image. Like that, 7 question is there. 7 feedback is that is the headlines. So right now, so we need to choose one headline. So if we need to choose one of this headline, so you can ask if you are confused, which one will be the best. So you can ask ChatGPT only that, hey ChatGPT, in this 7 headlines, which one is the best fit as per my questions. You can ask this. So he suggested, ChatGPT suggested this one. Okay. So I am right now putting this one. Yes. Okay. After that, second prompt will come. Please write 5 pain points for target audience. And after that, here I will change it 5 pain points. So here I will put it here most important pain points, so that it can understand the best important one. But it can give us the most important. And after that, the headline will come. So here I'm putting the headline which we have selected. This is the headline. So it gives us the most important pain points. Okay, top pain points. So right now it is so lengthy, so we can go with the right in short. Short and simple. So right now it is giving the 5 short and simple. Tried many remedies, but nothing works. Confusion in love, marriage, or career. Feeling low energy or spiritually disconnected. Overthinking and mental stress. No clarity about life purpose. So, after, when we are getting that pain point, so we will check what problems they're solving related to their, is it related to that problems, we need to check first. So if you find this is related to the problems, the pain points are related to the problems that person want to solve, so we will go ahead with that pain points, that problems. If it is not, so you can ask ChatGPT, give me more. Like that, you can type. Okay. So right now, I feel these are the problems that, like, tried many remedies but nothing works. Confused in love, marriage, and or career. So here she already mentioned about the love relationship issues and the career. Then after that, feeling low energy or spiritually disconnected. So she is mentioning about the life purpose, that also covered. And overthinking and mental stress, this is also the issue of mental health issue. Okay. No clarity about the life purpose, that is also relatable, because she is giving the life purpose based solution. So we can go with that 5. So after that, 4th point is coming. Hey ChatGPT, we are helping people with modality. So please give the unique name of this modality. Okay. So right now, one thing is very unique going on in the market. Whenever we are going to research the market, so everyone giving a specific, a special type of framework. That's why people are very attracted to that. Okay, so we need to create one of the framework of ours, because she is providing astrology and tarot, both the combination of both. So right now we are giving that, in that dash place we will give the modality of her. So I'm pasting that prompt, and modality is astrology and tarot. So ChatGPT is going to give us a unique name of with these two modality using the prompt. There is so many. Again, if you get confused, you can ask ChatGPT that which one is the best fit for this for our landing page. According to the questions, you can ask. But in case of mine, I prefer this one, Astro Tarot Blueprint. I feel this will be connected by the people who is going for the astro and astrology and tarot. So I am going for it. If you feel that you are not able to understand which one is the best, so you can ask ChatGPT that please provide the best one, best fit for these 9 questions. Fair enough. So after that, the next prompt is coming. That is, use hero page content, write introducing with this name. The name is Astro or Tarot Blueprint. Okay. So right now I am going to give that prompt. Let's see what it will give us. So here we need to mention the hero page content. Hero page content means this content, the heading, the subheading, and the pain points. This is the hero page content. After that, we need to provide the name, which I have collected there. This is the name. This is the name we are providing. So right now we are giving that prompt to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will provide us the full thing. So we'll provide this one. This is more than prediction. It's realignment. So here we can use as it will So this is more than a prediction. It's realignment. Your Astro Tarot blueprint reveals your hidden energy map clear karmic blocks and brings guidance you can feel. Okay, you can go ahead with that, or you will put it like introducing. I'm showing you another one that you can understand. Yeah, I was expecting like that, this type of prompt. But ChatGPT provide this prompt. So if you want this kind of prompt, na, that time you can put it like that, copy and paste it here. So you can ask ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, please provide the above content. So you need to mention the content. The content in the above mention format. See, give us the full format. And now this is, I feel this is so much long, so make it short. I asked ChatGPT to make it short. So now it's perfect. So you can put that call to action. Basically our call to action we provide. Book your session now at the rupees 95. This can be our one call to action. And you can put it limited slots. Like that. Okay, this is the hero section which we will cover. So this part basically first when this 1 to 2 months we will provide you this parts because you are new to this. So we will provide this part. After some time we will provide you only the questions. So that time you have to create that hero sections too. But right now, we know you are new to this. That's why we will provide these things from our side. Okay. And what you need to do right now, that I am explaining right now. So you need to put your prompt will be from section 2. Okay. So this part you have to do. That's why here written as process team. So right now we will give you all the things onboarding team, and you have to do the process team's work right now. So that will be, you have to put this prompt and before this prompt, you need to write the hero page content. Hero page content means this full content. This is the hero page content basically. Okay, so you need to copy this. And paste it before the prompt. So now you just give that prompt. So your page is ready. Okay. And in that meet your guide, sometimes our client provide the introduction part. So that time I will provide you the introduction part. You need to mention that introduction part in the content. Sometimes the client is not giving that introduction part. That time we can use it. I am the name of the guide. That means the expert who is providing the services, our client name. So we need to put it here. Okay. And the page is ready. So you need to copy from this part. And put this button after every sections. Okay, another thing that is the testimonial basically. So sometimes the client will provide us the video or image like messages kind of testimonials. So we need to put that testimonial. If they are not providing, they are new to this field, that time we use this prompts. This testimonials, which is provided by the ChatGPT. Okay. So you need to provide after every section, you need to put the call to action button. Sometimes so we need to provide the call to action button different alternatives. So one is book your session now at 95, and another is I am ready to book the session. Again, book your session now at 95. I am ready to give the session. ready to take the session right now, like that. So we will mention if we need this kind of things, because sometimes our clients suggest that every time same buttons. Some people are some clients are saying that it looks like spamming. So that time we will ask them that we will make the alternative, or we will put the buttons after two sections. So if in the hero section it should be there. After that, this two is completed. After that one, this two is completed. After that one, this two is completed. After that one, like that. Okay, so our content is ready. Our landing page content is ready. So you need to put the client name here. Dr. Para. So that's all, guys. Any questions related to this? Let me know. Hello?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
No,
Any?
ma'am. No
Okay, you
questions.
haven't any questions. Arvind, have you any question?
No, ma'am.
Both of you got everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, Rajesh, have you any question?
So far, no, Ji. While we work on it, we will have some questions. Then we will reach out to you.
Okay. 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 Fine. So that's all from my side. Ankit, anything you want to mention?
No, all good to go.
Oh, thank you, guys. So today we are wrapping up our session. So tomorrow, I think we will go with the video script and the image script. Okay. So tomorrow, same time, 2:30.
Thanks, Ji.
Thank you, all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Ji.
Bye bye.